I've been giving a lot of thought to dissatisfaction as a driving force this week. And interestingly, how contentment can be our distractor. I used to joke that I had knots all over my head from bumping into that career glass ceiling so many times. But the longer I've lived, I've come to realize that more likely I put that glass ceiling up there myself, because it was that glass ceiling of contentment that, I was comfortable there as long as I did just enough to get by. A limited mentality is always going to keep that glass ceiling up there. Now, I do want to say there is a type of dissatisfaction that's, going to tell you that nothing's ever good enough. And that's definitely an unhealthy mentality, because that's the one that's going to feed turmoil and regret and blame and all things negative. But when you have those unlimiting beliefs, the dissatisfaction that I'm talking about is going to keep you excited, and you feel like you can take on the world and you can actually change the world for the better, of course. I've decided that the only destroyer of that glass ceiling is going to be a why that's really strong enough to get you that breakthrough. It's got to be a superhuman why, where you want these superhuman powers for someone or something beyond yourself. And that someone may actually be you. It's the you on the other side of that ceiling. You've got to see yourself there already. It's got to be a big enough desire, a big enough dissatisfaction that you want to break through and get there. So I'm going to challenge you to let that ceiling up there serve as your mirror. Let it reflect back and show you what's holding you back from that breakthrough. And so find that why that's big enough and go get your breakthrough.